YouTube, it's your girl Dasha and this is Dash of Glam. So by the title of this video, you already know what I will be doing. So let's just get into this video.
I'm a fool for your love.
Okay guys, so what you need for this tutorial is a pair of tweezers, your lashes of course, eyelash glue, but I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite weave super hair bond glue. That's the weave glue and stuff, as a lot of you may know. But yeah, let's get started. So what you guys wanna do is get your I'm saying get your lashes and apply glue to it, and use your tweezers to apply it onto your eyes. And I'm using my fingers, guys, because I'm like a pro at it already, so like 2 meter tweezers keep me back. So it's like I'm more manageable with my hands, so that's what I would usually use. So I'm just ensuring that I press down firmly on the lashes and my real lashes with the falsies to ensure that it's stuck properly. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go on to the other eye so you could see the difference already. So I'm applying glue to the lashes, to the falsies, and it's very important to put a little extra in the ends of the lash, because you know how hard it is for the ends to stay on. It just needs a little extra glue. So we are okay. So I'm just ensuring that I apply them properly. So I'll also press them together with my real lash. And guys, this is like the finishing look. All you're missing to do is apply your mascara, and honey, you good to go. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my wonderful channel, leave a comment down below, and see you all in my next video. Bye.
It's on 40 in my right car. Business change, yeah, I like I ain't all this. Get that money, nigga, that my main focus. In my right car. Business change, yeah, I like I ain't all this.